Hi guys, welcome to another Giant Graphics tutorial. I know it's really been a long time. Oh my god, I'm so sorry for being away. Well, it's for the good. I went for a training course and I'm back and better. Okay, so we had a 3 days free AI training on WhatsApp, and I decided to have a video of it on my YouTube channel, okay? So that my friends and my subscriber can also learn this free of charge. Yes, and I'll be dropping several other videos afterward. On the first day of our training, we learned how to create realistic image using the GenCraft, okay? You can use the web version and you can as well use the application, okay? Just go to your Play Store or iOS store, download GenCraft, yes, and I'm going to show you how to use it. It's very easy to use, yes. So follow me and let's go there together. Okay, so I'm going to my GenCraft app, okay? This is GenCraft. This is GenCraft, yes, and I'm just going to log in. But remember, you must sign up on the app if you're using the application. And to use this, you can generate image or you can generate video. But the video gen is on Pro, while the image gen is free, okay? And to generate your image, what do? First, you describe your ideal image, okay? Just give a description of whatever is in your head, and GenCraft is going to turn that idea into a beautiful image. Yes, so I'm going to go ahead and make a description. What do I want to describe? Let me say a father with two little children in a walkway, okay? So now I'm going to scroll down before I click on generate to add style. You can see select style. Let me click it so that you see select style. Your style, it can be anime, that's animation, it can be cyberpunk, it can be realistic, it can be a video game, and so on. Like you can see them, it can be 3D, isomeric, cartoon, cosmic, oil painting, ink. Oh my god, lot of styles that you can use, okay? But it's optional, okay? So I'm just going to, what do I want? I want it to be real, so I'm going to choose realistic, and I'm going to come down here to select model. Do I really need a model? Okay, you can choose any of these model that is free. The lock ones are the ones that works only with the Pro. You can see they are locked, they only work with the Pro, while these ones are free. Like this is actually free, this is free, this is free, this is free, this is free. Now I think I'm seeing padlock there, so it's not free. Okay, so I'm just going to generate, and you see in minutes, or let's say minutes, in seconds, my realistic image is going to be ready. Okay, so let's just wait for it patiently to generate. Oh my god, now I'm sure you've seen this, you've seen what it generated from my description. Yes, father with two little children on a walkway. Okay, that's beautiful. I can regenerate it. You can see I have the option of regenerating it. Peradventure I don't like this, it's going to give me another option. Then I can download it. If I'm okay with this, I just click on download. I think this is good, so I'm going to download it, and I'm going to generate another one. So you could let me make another description. I want a Christmas background this time around, since it's Christmas time. Okay, so let me say a family eating together with not what, with Christmas tree by the table. Okay, so you can go ahead and change your style and whatever. I don't want to change the style, I just want to generate. So, and it's generating. So let's just a few seconds and it will be ready. Oh my god. So let's wait. It's still generating. Oh, beautiful. I'm sure you can see this. Like, this is awesome. Now, one beautiful thing about Gencraft is whatever idea you have in your head, it has an image to represent it. Now, these are not real family. This family does not exist anywhere. They are AI generated, okay? I'm going to download it as well, and you can also save it. Thanks for using. I'll do that later, okay? Then you can also animate it, but on the pro version. Yes. So download is complete. The image is actually downloaded. I'm going to take it to my gallery and we're going to see this image together. So let me just go to my gallery, and albums. Just right here, Gencraft. You can see my image is actually downloaded successfully and is in my gallery. So I hope this video is helpful. We are going to be dropping more video, especially relative to this artificial intelligence. I told you we had a free AI class on our WhatsApp group, and it's a 3 days class. This is the training of the first day, and I'll be dropping the video of the other days very, very soon. I hope you're getting ready for this. So see you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you can always get notified when we drop a new video. Yes, thank you very much. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance to you, my dear subscriber. Love you.